Okay. Now once we have that done, we want to do an airplane fold on each side. So let's make sure all our creases are good. Airplane fold right into the center. And you see your crease here. We don't want to fold it all the way down. Just crease it until you see this crease right here. And we're going to do that for both sides. Go for this side as well. All right. Now, what you want to do now here is where the airplane fold intersects this line here. We're going to make another line going, another fold going down the dollar bill the long ways. So if you can get you a marking right there. Go to the other side. Get you a mark where they meet up. And now what we're going to do is start folding the long ways. Okay. Don't run it all the way down just yet. Go to the other side and do the same thing because you want to make sure they meet up. And that way you know that you did a good job on lining your line up. Another good indicator is all the lines will meet up when you do the fold. See that line meets up. Okay. Now we're going to do that for the other side. Go ahead and make a pinch where that line intersects. Just a small little pinch so you can see where to fold it. And same with this side here. Little pinch. Okay. Now make a fold going all the way across. Remember, don't fold it all the way yet. Just go ahead and start this side. And we're going to do the same with this one. And we're going to make the lines, this fold, meet in the middle. See how the line meets up? The fold meets up, from the line from the fold meets up. Do this one. And then do this side here. And there we have it. Now we're going to do another airplane fold, but not quite the same way. We're just going to use this line right here from the previous fold. Exercise our creases again so we can see them good. Exercise your creases so you can see them as good. Now you're going to do the same with this side. Do the same fold along here. But don't airplane fold to the middle again. Just to this fold right here, the last fold. Just like that. So that gives us another pinch mark to go off of when we make the line going down. Do the same with the other side. All right. And there we go. Pinch fold there. That side's ready to go. Let's do the other side of the dollar. Exercise your creases so you can see them. Airplane fold to the last fold. Crease out. Now, make a little pinch for your little guide. Exercise folds. Airplane fold to the last fold. Okay. Now, where the fold meets or intersects each other, make a little guide. Okay, now we're ready to make the fold going across, another fold going across. Use the pinch as a guide. Okay, I'll go ahead and do that one. Same for the other side. Pinch for a guide. Okay, you can lay it down if you want to. Make sure all lines are going straight. And that's another good indicator that you have a straight fold. Another good way to tell if you got a straight fold, this side should look just like that side. You see how the fold is just right above that one over here. It should end up the same over here. Now, don't fold, like I said, sliding your finger or making a crease going all the way down by pushing it, because when you do that, it tends to pull the dollar this way when you do that kind of fold. So, when you crease it like that, so just kind of slide down a little bit on that side, then come on this side and you can do the same thing. That way you're not pulling your fold too far out of whack. All right, now once you got it done, go ahead and check your fold out. Everything's looking good. All right, guys. Now, we want to do the same thing over here till we get to the end of the dollar bill. Go ahead and do this side now. Exercise that crease. Exercise that fold, I mean. Airplane fold to the last folder. All right. And don't be tempted to fold that all the way to the middle. It's gonna look like it's gonna meet there, but it's not gonna quite meet. So don't be in a rush and just fold that all the way over. Excuse me. Thanks. Okay, guys. All right, there we go. All right. Do one more for each side. Okay. Make your guide pinch. Same here. Guide pinch. Okay. Make sure all lines are going straight across and not crooked. All right. And then what we're shooting for is 5 sections. So one of these sides, you're going to have to decide which one you're going to want for the outer section. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then on whatever side, like this side here, it doesn't matter. You can just fold that halfway, because we're going to fold that again to get rid of that edge. So you just fold that again just to get rid of the edge, so we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. Okay, exercise our folds again. Exercise your folds.